The world and the way we interact with each other is changing. Due to the current crisis, trade shows, live events, and even face-to-face meetings have ground to a halt. But humans adapt quickly and turn to video conferencing to conduct meetings and even socialize with friends. Next level video conferencing is the way forward. Presenting your products and services from your living room will not accomplish the branding image you've worked so hard to develop. From team meetings to sales calls, you need to uphold your branded reputation. Creative Displays brings the branded 4D soundstage to you. Conducting business in the Creative Displays 4D soundstage, your headquarters can be in California, your #1 rep in New York, and your key account in Florida. You can deliver a professional, face-to-face meeting without the need to develop complex digital assets. We can help you connect for a professional meeting, displaying multiple product lines, and have this solution delivered to you in just days. With your team and customers at home, there has never been a bigger need to act quickly. Contact us to see how this can work for you.